Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Moana boat. Let's start by gathering our materials. You'll need craft foam for the hull, about 10 inches long, and some wooden dowels for the mast and outriggers. Don't forget hot glue for assembly and fabric scraps for your sail. Natural fibers will add an authentic touch for the rigging, bringing your miniature voyaging canoe to life with ease. Now let's build the main structure. Cut 2 identical hull pieces from craft foam, each 10 inches long and 3 inches wide, shaping the ends to a gentle point. Next, attach 2 smaller foam pieces, about 6 inches long, as outriggers. Use 2 wooden dowels, each 4 inches long, to connect them securely to the main hull, keeping them about 2 inches apart for stability. Hot glue will ensure everything stays firmly in place. With the hull and outriggers complete, it's time for the mast and sail. Insert an 8-inch tall wooden dowel into the center of your main hull for the mast. Then, cut a fabric sail, approximately 5 inches wide and 7 inches tall, in your desired shape. Attach the sail to the mast using hot glue or small string pieces, ensuring it stands upright. This will give your boat its iconic voyaging appearance, ready for imaginative adventures. Finally, let's add those special finishing touches. Use natural fibers or thin string to create realistic rigging, tying them from the mast to various points on the hull. You can also decorate your boat with painted patterns, small shells, or artificial leaves to truly capture the spirit of Moana's journey. Make sure all your glued components are completely dry and secure. Your beautiful Moana boat is now ready for its next great adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.